Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of Prestashop Admin Login as Customer module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module, and I'll also list out the features and the benefits that this module brings for the merchants. As the name clearly suggests, but I'll also explain, this module particularly allows admin to log into any customer account. This can be helpful in cases when customer is really facing any difficulty while using any feature, or like ordering a product or applying any promo code, anything related to shopping on the website. If a customer faces any difficulty, then in that case admin can log in to the customer account from his or her end to solve the difficulty of a customer and enhance his or her shopping experience on the website. So now let's just go to the Prestashop back office to see the configuration settings of the module. As you can see, the module is already installed in the Prestashop. There is no as such configuration settings related to this module, but on clicking the configure button available in the module list under the module manager section, you will land on this page, which contains basically the logs of all the accounts to which admin has logged in. As you can see, recently 2 accounts were logged in by the admin, and the log of all those are available here. Now let's just go to the customers section to see how an admin can really log into the customer's account. On clicking the customers, you will land on this page where you can see the list of all the customers who are registered on your store. In order to provide the functionality to log into a customer account, we have basically given 3 options or 3 places from where admin can easily log into a customer account. First one is here in the list, a button is added to help the admin to log into any customer account easily. I'll just show you how. By clicking on the login button, an admin can directly go to the account of the customer to which he has clicked to log in. As you can see here in this case, we are logged into the account of Mark Reuben. In case if I want, then I can also log in to another customer account simultaneously. Here, as you can clearly notice that we have made it available to log in into this Mary Jones account. Now you might be also noticing that here in this case on the account of Jane Doe, we are not getting any option to log into this account, this particular account. I'll just explain why. On clicking the edit button, you will land on this page where you can notice that the group access for this particular customer is limited to guest only, and the default customer group for this customer, this particular person, is to guest only. So in this case, an admin will not be able to log in as the guest really has no account, no registered account on the shop. Now let's just go back again. As you have seen that this was the first way to log into a customer account. Now we'll click on the view button available under the edit section. After this, you will find that the next option is to log in as customer from here. This option will also allow you to log in into this particular customer account, and you will be able to log into this particular customer from here itself. So this was all about the process via which an admin can easily log into a customer account and provide the solution to the problem or whichever problem the customers are facing. I hope this video helps you to configure the module and use it in the best possible way.